Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Edu Everybody. Let's experience the education. So in the last video, we have gone through our last year question paper and we have solved some parts of the third question. Now in this video, हम लोग कुछ और क्वेश्चन भी देखेंगे. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पेपर की तरफ. लेकिन उसमें बढ़ने से पहले अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आता है पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स. तो ऑब्जेक्ट्स सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. नाउ व्हाट इज पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म? पॉली मीन्स मल्टीपल, मॉर्फिज्म इज टाइप. मीन्स when a thing exists more than one type, we called that concept is a polymorphism. And there are two type of polymorphism. पहला होता है compile time, दूसरा होता है run time. तो जो compile time होता है that we can achieve with the help of function overloading, and जो run time होता है that we can achieve with the help of function overloading. अब हम लोग थोड़ा इसको देख भी लेते हैं. पहले तो हम लोग सर्च कर सकते हैं इन ChatGPT. सो इफ़ आई टाइप हियर polymorphism, तो इसमें दे रहा है कि polymorphism is a concept that refers to ability of object of different classes to be treated. ये तो बहुत टफ लिखा हुआ है, तो मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ. Polymorphism is many forms and it occur when many classes they are related to each other by inheritance. और भी देखते हैं polymorphism in Java, which means having many forms. In simpler word, we can define polymorphism as the ability of a message to be displayed in more than one form. That definition you can write. And there are two types of polymorphism. One is the compile time and second is the runtime. The compile time is, we called it as a static polymorphism. The runtime, we called it as a dynamic polymorphism. We can achieve with the help of function overloading, or you can simply say with the help of overloading. And runtime we can achieve with the help of function overwriting. I hope that is also clear. And you can add more than 2 lines because it is of one number question. As you can say, a person at the same time can have multiple characters, like a man at the same time is father, husband, employee, so that the same person possesses different behavior in different situations. This is called a polymorphism. You can give this example and you can add this definition as well. And in the next line you have to write this one, compile time and the runtime. Then you have to write compile time is a dynamic and we can achieve with the help of overloading. Runtime is a dynamic polymorphism and we can achieve with the help of function overriding. That's it, you need to write. I hope that is also clear to you. What is polymorphism? Poly is many, morphism is type. When a thing exists more than one type, more than one form, we called it as a polymorphism. That is also we have discussed. Object and class we have done. This is also done, both question. And in this we have discussed the logical and the global variable. Classes object is also done. Name any two programming application of OOF. So we will write the same thing. Name the two application of OOPS. So there are many application of object oriented, but these are two applications. First is a GUI and second is a database programming. So हम लोग ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस को बनाने में ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का यूज़ करते हैं और डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट को बनाने में हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का यूज़ करते हैं. तो आप ये दो चीज़ें आराम से ले सकते हो और आप खुद से भी सर्च कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो डन. ग्लोबल एंड लोकल वेरिएबल आप यहाँ पे अगर डालो ग्लोबल एंड लोकल वेरिएबल इन OOPS, तो ये आप लोगों को दिखा देगा कि ग्लोबल एंड लोकल वेरिएबल क्या होते हैं. ये मैंने आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी बताया था कि अ वेरिएबल इज अ नेम गिवन टू एन मेमोरी लोकेशन टू स्टोर इन कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम. इट इज़ यूज टू स्टोर इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट कैन बी रिफर्स एंड मैनिपुलेटेड. तो ये तो हो गई हमारी डिफिनीशन वेरिएबल की. अब हमारा लोकल एंड ग्लोबल क्या होता है? Global variable are those which are declared outside of the function or a block, can be accessed globally anywhere. It can be accessed by any function in the program. Once a global variable is declared, its value varies with different function. लोकल वेरिएबल क्या होता है? लोकल वेरिएबल that are declared within a function or a block. It can only be accessed within that particular function or block. The lifetime of a global variable is within its function only, and that cannot be accessed from any part of the program, and that variable exists till the function execute. I hope that is also clear. I will provide the link of this one and this one, and yeah, two link I will provide you in the description. I hope that is also clear, guys. We have solved 4-5 question of third 4 or 5 part of third question as well. Now in the next video we will discuss about the programming question, and also we will solve this part as well, E part. So bye bye guys, I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye.